आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो आज तो जोश
Today is 23rd August. We are celebrating National Space Day. This day is celebrated in memory of the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 on the moon. To commemorate this achievement, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared 23rd August as National Space Day in India. With this, India was the first country to land near the South Polar region of the moon. ISRO's contribution to India's space research is uncomparable. Projects like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan are made on August 2023 in India to be proud. This day is important to increase awareness among people about space. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you.